Dear viewer, Assalamu Alaikum. I am Engineer Muhammad Rezaul Haq. Welcome to my Automation Tools YouTube channel. We know in industrial system, Woodward controller is most usable to control the turbine or generator. To configure the Woodward controller, we used handheld programmer to configure the Woodward controller. Maximum people does not know how to use handheld programmer to configure the Woodward controller peak 150. Today I will discuss about the using procedure of handheld programmer or how to connect handheld programmer to Woodward controller or detailed description of different function key of handheld programmer. So dear viewer, let's start. First, you see in the left side I am showing the thumbnail and right side I am showing the some literature that how can we use the handheld programmer. This is the handheld programmer that we use to configure the Woodward controller, and here I am showing the different description box or the different description key that are using in this handheld programmer. Here you see in the right side the literature you can see that the PIC controller use main drive software for programming. That means that this handheld programmer mainly used to configure the PIC Woodward controller PIC 150. Today I'll discuss the detailed function key of Woodward controller that can use or how can we connect this one. I can discuss about this one. You see in the Woodward controller you see this is the 4 key. This is the 4 key is the right, it is the left. This is the left or right, that is to scroll the right categories. This is the right key is used to scroll the categories to go to the category step by step, and left key you can go to the left scrolling to the left category. And here the tortoise, you see tortoise but turtle, that means that is the use to increase the setting value slowly and decrease the value slowly, and it is the another key that is used to increase the value the rabbit. Then the rabbit can go to firstly, so this key is also used to increase the value in firstly, and this key is used to decrease the desired value firstly for the use this one. That means these two key uses for the increase and decrease the value slowly, and this key two key are these two key are used to firstly to increase the value or decrease the value. Next you go to the minus key. This is the minus key. It is also function. This key is used to enter the negative value, and this key are used to adjust the value of parameter either up or down. This is the plus or minus. This plus or minus we can also use the decrease the value, and also this plus can use the increase the value, but also put the value in minus key. You can use this one. And you see escape what? Escape. ESC, that is ESC. ESC is below the escape key which is pressed once. If we suppose we are using the program or we are in the another mode, we want to back this one. If we press escape, then we can go to the the previous menu. If we press twist, if we press the twist escape ESC by escape button, we can press the twist value, we get to the first mode. You see we exit mode and all data will be saved. ID mode, the ID key define the software used in your system. This ID can use, normally not can be more than it use. And save button, this is a save button. You see this is the save button. Save button is used to save all the configured data. If we want to save this one, if we can press this one, the all data in the configure will change, it will be saved. Go to the back key. The back key is called to the left. The back key is called to the back, and the space key is go to scroll the right key. And another one is the enter value. It is the most important key of this here, and the dot. That means you can see it is a dot, but not in dot. You can put the dot value by using this one, and it is the most important key in this handheld programmer. This dot key is in enter key. You can know if you press the enter, then if you select the category or you can select the any program, then you can press the enter, then you can go to the edit mode and we can change the value up or down key, I can use the up and down, then you can change the value. But you see the dot key is the most important key. To this key, select the configure mode. This select the configure mode. If you put this the dot key, then the display will show. If we want to go to the configure mode, or in this case some configure mode is available, and enter a decimal point in the number. It also it is used for decimal number. If we put this one, then the display will show the if you want to go to the configure mode, then press enter 1, then they keep the, even can see the warning that if you want to go to the configure mode, the turbine will be stopped, then we can press enter button. The configuration procedure and the monitor procedure of Woodward Peak 100 controller, and in the next video I will show how can we configure this one Woodward Peak 150 controller by using this handle program. I show you this one in my next video. If you want to update with me, please subscribe my channel and follow my channel, then you can understand. Now we go to the next key. Next key, you see the up and down arrow key. It is a up key and down key. Suppose we have selected program is here, then we press the down key, then you go to the another next value. The next value you can go to the, if we go to the up key, then we can see the up value. That means in the category selected, and press this one, you can see the up key. Okay, so the up category value you can see is here. Also you can see here the up and down arrow. This key is double click used to the select screen. The selected screen is identified by the at the date of. That means when we select a menu, in the first you can see at the rate of sign will be appeared in the here. I will show in my next video. You can follow my channel, you can understand about this one. And here is some numeric value. By using this key, you can push the numeric value 1 2, you can then put the numeric value by step. You can put this one. So you see the all the function description is completed, and you guys see here of the one of the picture that you can understand by using this one, by which key are used to what types of function we can done is here. You can see that is up down key, scroll up down key. That means that in the handheld programmer, the most usable key is this right scrolling scheme. This right scrolling key used to select the menu one by one, and the up and down key is most used to go to the when we select this category, then we can use up key or down key to go to the setting, so see the setting value. And another important key is the dot key. It is the configure mode key. In the peak dot controller, some configure mode can we go to the place the enter mode, then you can scroll this one, and by using this one you can see the or configure the some parameter or some categories. And in the hidden the most important category are configured in the dot menu. That means the configure menu. If we push the dot menu, then their display will be show. Press the enter value to go to the enter the configure mode, then press the enter value. This also is giving a message that how can we go to the in the next video I will show how can we configure, or how can we take backup program, or how can we monitor the setting value of Woodward controller PK 150. So dear friend, I think you can understand how can we you can understand about the different function key of this handle programmer. And here you see it is the 9 pin RS485 cable that is used to connect the controller to configure this one. This controller is work with the 7 to 30 volt. Can use this one to configure this to power up this SMI. In the next video I will show how can use this handle programmer to configure the Woodward controller PK150. So dear friend, no more today. Please like, comment and share my video that other people can learn about this the function key of this handle programmer. So no more today. Assalamu Alaikum.
Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Also like, comments and share. Thanks for watching.